Hello and welcome for another video. For this video we have a 90s Sony Walkman. It's very old.
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it.
Now you can see the problem. It's not speeding the tape. So let's disassemble and see what's the problem.
Slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it.
I love fixing all devices. The old devices, it hasn't a glue. It was only clips and it's very easy, very easy to disassemble. I love the old device because of that. The problem is because the device is very old, the belt is destroyed. So we need to replace the belt. In a few moments you will see that the motor is working, so it needs only a new belt.
I know I'm not easy. I drag you out your mind.
Thank you for being here. So if you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you very much.
Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me.